Okay, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so now we're live, so to say. Go ahead.
Okay, so we've got, essentially I want to make very, very clear, okay, is checkmate happened 4.5 years ago. But this is making visible some of the most foundational beliefs and shaking them so that people can see that they really didn't exist. You know, when you're given beliefs to believe that are truth, you know, remember that nothing is true. And that's what we're essentially going through. That is the process that I am, along with others, making visible, that everyone believes that laws are laws and everyone's supposed to follow them, and that's not the truth. They're not even following their own laws, as you can see. Okay? The filings they are multi-purpose, those filings, and they address every single part of existence. The biggest thing is that they are the memorandum of law. That is the law now, and it has been for 4.5 years, and they've known that. So the big thing is that when we were in court, where it was made visible that the Constitution actually doesn't really exist or apply to anyone, right, except for the signatories, is when I first went in and they asked me to swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. And in fact, I had gone in and I started off by due sworn declaration. So if you go and you actually check this part, it said by sworn due declaration, and then I could feel 2 huge, massive energy signatures sweep in. So I actually stopped and was looking to see where those were coming from, where they were going, what was the intent, that kind of thing. And then I went to go start again, but essentially I said, you know, this is a standing due identification correction. I am original. First of all, it is, and then it said nunc pro tunc, praeterea, praeterea. And I said, I swear, and I swear to tell the truth. I swear to speak only true, accurate, and complete. I never do truth and all that other stuff because it's not correct.
Right.
But I did, and so if you go and you look at that, apparently Yusuf was telling me that they cut out the praeterea, praeterea. They literally physically falsified physical evidence.
Yes, so when I post this recording and I do the transcript of it, we'll have your audio of your words, we'll have the transcribed of your words, and I will also put the points that you're talking about in the transcript with all of this so people can see all the evidence visible for themselves.
Exactly. So as far as the transcripts from that court hearing on Friday, if that was the case, because with that court hearing, the identification hearing couldn't have gone on because I did the standing due identification correction.
Correct.
However, if they falsified physical evidence as far as the recordings, the transcripts, and they took the praeterea out, that is very telling. So, you know, the whole point is that people understand what is being made visible here is that the laws they thought that governed society don't truly govern society.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we're actually seeing. And I will tell you this, it does cost them every time that we do this. And I don't mean on a financial aspect as well, but basically you have the old world completely dissolving.
Yes.
Completely dissolving. And the new one coming in. So it might, kind of like with the birth, right? You have something very beautiful coming in. At the same time, there's a lot of pain right there at the end.
Yes.
Okay? So, like I said, I don't stop till it's done. And I know everyone else, I can feel you. I can feel everything that's going down. It's just beautiful. So let's push through to the end so that we're finally enjoying the beginning.
Absolutely. And I've been requesting, if people feel moved to do so, to focus on the outcome, but the big, 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 big outcome, and not just the fine details along the way, and to understand that it takes a while because it is complex and there's so much to unravel, and some people are dragging their feet with the unraveling.
Well, yeah, and that's very important. I'm glad that you're pointing that out, because it is very important that people keep the big picture in the forefront. See the results. And all the details really are just, can be the funnest parts, they can be the most miserable parts. The point is, see the result, and it finishes fast.
Yeah.
Okay? So I love you all, and I just wanted to touch base with you to kind of put this out. I don't know when they will be transporting, and Randy and I will finish up what was started.
Great. Great. All right. Well, remember what I told you before we started recording. Big hugs to you, lots of love, and I'll talk to you soon.
All right. Love you all. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.